Asunto-osakeyhtiö Vuori.
Yes, this is also amazing today. On the 16th of March 2023, we have the main address is Temppelikatu, Temppelikatu 14, but this is the sign. Modernized 2, stage B. Here in the Helsinki has was modernized. But look, here it says it was built 1923, also modernized 1946, but NPN6 again upgraded later.
Yeah.
Turning 100 years old this year in 2023, and its number is H152, and the newest number is R186. The one I went to this vehicle, put it again.
Yeah, I don't know.
But the modernizations here number.
Yeah.
We can check later. There are several floors here. It will be inspected this year in 2023. I think in this thing say I didn't do a good video because they were moving, so maybe if I could do it again.
Yeah.
So yeah, and also the interior is very much related to 1946. Unfortunately, the original interior was damaged in the war.
Yeah.
But still amazing, still very amazing.
Yeah.
Very interesting, really.
Maintained by Kone.
It's not completely unlikely. It could have been more or less again in the early 1980s with NPN6. Because this year we have to check. So if this is somewhere between 1978 and 84.
Yeah.
And this previous modernization turned 75 years old in 2021, and so just 1 year after the World War II had ended in 1945.
Yeah.
But what about the car models here?
Yeah, unfortunately.
But we also need to compare it to modernizations from the 1960s and 70s,
yeah,
where it's written. So, I don't know when this could have been priced in the 60s, 70s, or 80s,
yeah,
after 1946, because of course this should have been just after 1946. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.